Hello, I hope everybody's doing well, like always. Today we're gonna open this box. This box is full of vinyl and things like that, but we're gonna do a glass like this one. This is what is called soda cans. So I'm very excited about this because I love making these glasses. So it's very important for me to do a video like this because I want to show you guys, options for vinyl as well, because I know how hard it is to find a great vinyl. That's the reason of why I always put in the descriptions in my videos what I use what I use. That way, you guys can get it if you want, and it's easier to do, a decision. But let's open this box. Oh my god, guys, I mean, what I don't even have anything to say. This is so pretty. Sometimes I'm afraid to buy vinyl like this because most of the time I sell things, and people most of the time they always want the boring things, red, black, white, things like that. And most people, they don't really want to adventure with something like this, and I love it. Every time that I have a client that wants to do things like weird colors, I love it. I love to do jobs like that. But this is vinyl over here. But this, I didn't even knew that they had heat transfer vinyl. This is so pretty. Like, a lot of people are using this one, actually, this color. This is like the top thing right now. And I love it. I can't wait to do something with this vinyl. This metallic color, oh my god, I'm in love. But I didn't even knew that they had heat transfer. Anyways, but today we're just gonna use the vinyl for to make this glass. So we're gonna concentrate here. But look at these colors. Please look at this. This is so pretty. Oh my god. And of course, we always need transfer tape to whatever we're gonna use to transfer to the glass. So we need transfer tape, and they have it as well. So one stop for everything. And do you guys notice this? Because this is so pretty. We have this, so you can you can work with your vinyls and things like that. This is great, and I really love it because it's not gonna scratch your vinyl compared to the other ones that I have. I'm telling you, this is so nice. Let me open it again so you guys can see it one more time. Look at this, how pretty the tinsels are. Look at this. Look at this. It will make to take your vinyls out and everything so easy with this. I love it. I really do love it. I really do. And look at this. Looks like a pen, but it's not. It's to actually take the rest of the vinyl out, like the things that you don't need from, like if you have for example, right, a O, and you want to take the middle of the O out, you just look at that. Look at this. I don't know if you guys can see it, but look at that. So we're gonna use this later, but this is so pretty. Oh my god, this is so pretty. I'm so excited that I got this, and we are gonna use it. We're gonna use it all. So I'm excited about this, extremely excited, and I'm glad that I got all of this, and I can show you guys how to make that glass with everything that I have. So let's do it. So I want to show you guys the design that I have here. This is something that, you know, I love to do because it's a template. You know, I do this rectangle over here. That way I know where I have to design and what is my space in my glass. That is why I put this rectangle there. And my rectangle, if you use the same glass that I have, the one that I have here is 9.45 inches by 4 inches. So again, this is something that I do because it's easier to imagine your design and easier to transfer. Something else that I do in my Cricut design space when I do my design is that I have different colors. Of course, this is not the exact color that I'm gonna use for the vinyls because you guys saw the vinyls, so they're not these colors. But this is something that I do so the machine knows that I have different cuts. I have it in a group, or you know, I pressed attached already. So again, I put everything that I'm gonna do in the same, like with the same color vinyl. I do it in the same group. That way it maintains the distance and everything that I have. This is our images that I got from here for the, you know, Cricut design space. If you're in the membership, you can just press image and you have many images that you can use. If you have the Cricut design space membership. So what I said when I said, you know, that I like to maintain my distance, let me show you how it looks here. So I'm not gonna cut this, so I'm gonna ignore that. But look, you see, you don't have to do this if you're really gonna do, you know, you're gonna put your design in the glass in random places. But because I have so many, you know, little designs, I love to make this. I know that I'm gonna waste a lot of vinyl in between, but it's just that way when I put the transfer tape, it's easier because I know, you know, where everything is and how I supposed to put it, you know, so it's easier that way. That's why I do it like this. So I group everything. Again, you don't have to do this. So here are the colors that we're gonna use for this glass. Like I told you guys, it's not the same colors that I put in my Cricut design space because of course they're not gonna match. So, but you know, like that's the reason why I put 3 different colors. So, you know, we know, or the machine knows that it has to cut 3 times. And again, this is the colors that we're gonna use and I'm excited. So let's start working. And again, you need the transfer tape. So you will need transfer tape for this job. Let's start. So we are now ready to take the vinyl out of here, the ones that we don't need. I have everything ready to make our glass, but for now I'm just gonna you know, take everything everything out that I don't need from the vinyl. So let's keep going. So I'm finally done with like taking everything out that I did not need it from my vinyl, and this thing was a great help. I'm so grateful that I had this, because this was a great help. Same thing with this. Oh my Lord. Because right here I have some designs that are really, really small, like they have small details. So when you cut like this small, everything gets really complicated to take, you know, pieces out and things like that. So believe me, this thing was wonderful. Also, because of the vinyl is a little bit thicker, it was wonderful to take the little, you know, pieces out, because it came out really easy. Next to another vinyls that I have used before, this came out really easy. So it did not took me that long. But anyways, we're gonna do the assembly in our glass now. So let's do this. I'm gonna have it in 3 different steps, or let's say 4, because I decided to cut the little pineapple separate, because the details in this pineapple they were really, really small. So I was kind of worried. So I put the pineapple a little bit bigger. So I'm gonna put it, I'm still gonna put it next to the L, but I have it separate. So I need to assemble everything, you know, step by step. So let's do it. So I really want to confess something. I'm having a lot of troubles in transferring my vinyl. But the vinyl, it's wonderful, I like it, but the transfer tape, I don't know. I'm not really impressed by this. Having to, you know, a lot of issues. So here is our glass. I love it. It's so beautiful. I love the vinyl and it looks wonderful. I really love it. I can't wait to use it. So something that I want to really say about this vinyl, it's wonderful. I love it. The transfer tape, I did not like it at all. I was losing my mind. I'm not gonna lie, I did not like the transfer tape. I end up using the strong grip. I lost, you know, my camera lost the battery, so I kind of had to stop filming, but I changed to strong grip and it was so much easier. I think it has something to do with the kind of vinyl that this is. This is really, like, the vinyl is really thick, and it's not just that, it is glitter. So I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's glitter, so it's really hard for something like this to really work. So I really did not like the transfer tape. but I end up using this strong grip transfer tape and it worked for me. Again, this is glitter. Maybe with regular vinyl it will work, but not with the glitter one for sure. So that's vinyl is a yes, transfer tape no, and the tools, oh my god, I love it. I'm gonna keep using these tools because I really love it. So vinyl again, vinyl yes, transfer tape and tools yes. So if you like this video, please like it, share, don't forget to subscribe, and like always, God bless you. See you in the next video.